We have recently tackled a pretty sleek project using our Wire EDM machine to whip up a complex stamping mold insert from alloy to steel. Our goal is to achieve a tolerance of 0.015 mm and a surface finish of bar 0.2. Let's see how we can achieve it.
Hey guys, welcome back to HLC. In this video, we'll be sharing our process from start to finish. But it's not just about the technical stuff. We'll also be sharing everything about Wire EDM. So stay tuned. Let's get cutting. Okay, for those new to the Wire EDM scene, let's quickly lay down the basics.
Think about traditional machining like cutting or drilling. Those physically saw and chip away at the material.
EDM, not a bit of it. It uses electrical energy to create sparks, eroding the material with extreme precision.
Like we are zapping the metal with a super accurate lightning bolt, reach 3000 degrees centigrade instantly. EDM can melt any conductive materials.
What makes wire cutting unique is its cutting tool, a thin electrically conductive wire.
Mean diameter is 0.15 mm, which can easily process sharp corners, tight radii, or narrow slits.
We have got these mold inserts, which are outside the part. Now, how do we get there? Firstly, we prepare our workpiece.
Pre-processed by shearing, grinding, and deburring. Clamping is key. We fix it onto the work table and adjust it, verifying the perpendicularity and parallelism of the workpiece.
We have chosen copper wire as the cutting tool for this job.
Choosing thinner wires like 0.25 mm allow for closer tolerances.
But remember, copper isn't the only player in town. We have also got tungsten and molybdenum wires.
Auto wire threading helps electrode wire glide to the guide, the workpiece, and down to the lower guide. Then the operator adjusts the position while EDM processing starts. Once we load the set path into the CNC system, it's like turning on the navigation system in a maze. Electric spark discharge, instantly generating high temperatures to melting the material. At the same time, the ionized water cools the material and wire, also wash away debris generated during cutting. When the spark disappears, the machine rests, and we'll get a perfect cut mold insert, nearly ready to go with no post-processing. Wire EDM is a slower process. We can divide it into 3 levels according to the speed. The first one is fast wire EDM. It mainly uses molybdenum wire, and its cutting speed is generally 8 to 10 meters per second. The second is medium speed wire EDM. Use molybdenum or tungsten wire. Cutting speed is generally 1 to 3 meters per second. The last one is slow wire EDM, which is also the processing distance. Cutting speed only 0.2 meters per second, but unbeatable in precision.
And there you have it, a complete process. Could Wire EDM be the solution you've been searching for? We'd like to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to join us. Thank you for your watching. Bye.